Good morning, students. Welcome to class 3 English grammar. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 pronouns. First we'll see the definition. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. To avoid the repetition of the same noun, we use the pronoun. Let's see some examples. Number 1. Rohan is studying at home. Number 2. Rohan is my friend. Children, here you can see the naming word or the noun Rohan is repeated twice. To avoid this repetition, we have used here he. The words I, you, he, she, it and we are the pronoun that comes in the naming part of a sentence. Here, naming part means name of a person or thing. Pronouns. Pronouns are of singular and plural. What are the singular pronouns? I, you, he, she, it. They are known as singular pronoun. And what are plural pronouns? We and they. Let's see some more examples. Number 1. This house is very old. It is falling. Here, underlined words are noun and highlighted with red color are the pronoun. This house means it is a thing. So, in place of this house, we have written it. Next example. Mr. Lal is a bus driver. Here, Mr. Lal is a person and he is a gents, male person. So, in the name or in the place of a male person, we have to use he. He drives a bus. Next example. Dolly likes chocolates. Number 2. She dances well. Here, in place of Dolly, we have written she to avoid the repetition of the same person's name. Next example. Mr. Sharma and his family came back today from Goa. Number 2. They went for holidays. Here, in place of Mr. Sharma and his family, we have written they, and they is a pronoun. Let's see kinds of pronouns. There are different kinds of pronouns. First, personal pronouns. Personal pronoun refers to a specific person, a particular person, place or thing. There are 3 types of personal pronoun. First, first person pronoun. It refers to the person speaking, such as I, me, mine, we, us, our. Examples. Number A. I saw an elephant. Number B. We stayed together. Second, second person pronoun. It refers to the person spoken to, such as you, yours. Example. Do you have an extra pencil? Here, you is used as a second person pronoun. Third person pronoun. It refers to the person or thing spoken about, such as he, she, it, they. Examples. He went to school. Number B. They pray every day. Number C. It is a small table. So children, here in this slide you can see the highlighted words like I, we, you, he, they, it. They are known as pronoun. Second pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is the pronoun which is used to point out person or thing. This and these are used for the person or thing who are near to the speaker. That and those are used for the person or thing who are far from the speaker. Example, this is my house. Number B, these are sweet mangoes. When the object or person is close or near to the speaker, we use the pronoun this and these. Number C, that is my school. Number D, those are birds. When the nouns or person or things are far from the speaker, we use the pronoun that and those. Next pronoun, number 3, interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used for asking questions such as what, which, who, whom, whose, when, how, where, etc. Examples, number A, what are you doing? Number B, where do you live? Number C, whose book is this? Number D, when do you get up? Here, these highlighted words like what, where, whose and when, they are known as interrogative pronoun because they ask questions. Next pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is used as object of a verb. They express the reflection of the action upon the subject, such as ourselves, herself, itself, etc. Example, number A, I saw myself in the mirror. Number B, Nirmal has done his work himself. So children, here we come to the end of the class. Please note down the presentation, whatever is given in the video in your English grammar copy with good handwriting. I hope you understood the class. Thank you so much.